Hello bachon, let's read this question. The question says for any real number alpha and beta, let y alpha beta x equal x belongs to R be the solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus alpha y equal x e to the power beta x and y1 equal 1. Let s equal y alpha beta x such that alpha beta belongs to R. Then which of the following function belongs to the set S? A fx equal x square by 2 e to the power minus x plus e minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus x. Option B fx equal minus x square by 2 e to the power minus x plus e plus 1 by 2 e to the power minus x. Option C fx equal e to the power x by 2 x minus 1 by 2 plus e minus e square by 4 e to the power minus x. Or D fx equal e to the power x by 2 1 by 2 minus x plus e square by 4 e to the power minus x. Let's see the solution. Before this, we will talk about key concept. The given differential equation is in form of linear differential equation. That is, which is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal q, where p, q both belongs to the function of x or any constant. For the solution of this differential equation, first we will find if, which is integration of p dx, and for solution y into if equal integration of q into if dx plus c. The main way to solve the linear differential equation is this. By this concept, we will solve the question, and here is the solution. Given differential equation is dy by dx plus alpha y x e to the power beta x, and given y1 equal. Now, since this is in form of LDE, linear differential equation, therefore, first of all, we will find if, which is integration of p dx. P is alpha, that is e to the power alpha x. Now, the solution is y to e to the power alpha x equal integration q x e to the power beta x if e to the power alpha x dx plus c. This becomes y into e to the power alpha x equal x e to the power, since base are same, so the indices will be added, dx plus c. Here the case arises alpha plus beta may or may not be equal to 0. If alpha and beta are, since x is real, also it says that in set S alpha beta belongs to R. तो अल्फा बीटा अगर दोनों सेम हो जाए अपोजिट साइन का तो 0 हो सकता है, अदरवाइज दोनों डिफरेंट हो तो 0 नहीं हो सकता. तो केस फर्स्ट, व्हेन alpha plus beta not equal to 0. In this case, the integration becomes integration by part. Therefore, y into e to the power alpha x u into v. I let x को छोड़ा, e को इंटीग्रेट किया, तो e to the power alpha plus beta into x. The coefficient of x is alpha plus beta minus d by dx of x1 and integration d by dx of x1 integration of e to the power alpha plus beta into x by alpha plus beta dx plus c, and this becomes y into e to the power alpha x equal x e to the power alpha plus beta into x by अल्फा प्लस बीटा। ये कांस्टेंट है, बाहर निकल जाएगा। अगेन इसका डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा नीचे जाएगा, यानी माइनस 1 अपॉन अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर ई टू द पावर अल्फा प्लस बीटा into x plus c. For finding c, given y1 equal, that is at x equal 1, y is y e to the power alpha x1 e to the power alpha plus beta by alpha plus beta minus e to the power alpha plus beta by alpha plus beta का whole square plus c. Therefore, since alpha plus beta is not equal 0, we can put the value of alpha as 1, beta as 1, जिससे हमें e और e स्क्वायर के बारे में या इनमें से किसी एक के बारे में पता चल सके, e के एक्सपोनेंट के बारे में। तो अल्फा 1 बीटा 1 पे ये आ गया 1 इंटू e स्क्वायर बाई 2 माइनस e स्क्वायर बाई 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस c, that is e equal e square by 4 plus c. Therefore, the value of c becomes e minus e square by 4. Therefore, equation 1 becomes y equal as alpha beta 1 y into e to the power x y into e to the power x equal x e to the power 2x by 2, x into e to the power 2x by 2 minus e to the power 2x by 4 plus the value of c as e minus e square by 4. Therefore, y becomes x e to the power x by 2 minus e to the power x by 4 plus e minus e square by 4 e to the power minus x, and y becomes, taking e to the power x by 2 as common, we get x minus 1 by 2 plus e minus e square by 4 into e to the power x. This is our answer in case 1 when alpha plus beta not equal 0, alpha equal 1 and beta equal 1, beta equal. In case 2, if alpha plus beta becomes 0, case 2, if alpha plus beta become 0 and अल्फा को हम लोग ले लेते हैं 1, तो बीटा -1 इस केस में। केस 2 के केस में हमारा सबसे पहले जो गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है उसको लिखते हैं। गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन dy by dx प्लस अल्फा y x e का पावर बीटा x, अल्फा y x e to the power beta x। एज अल्फा इक्वल 1 बीटा सर्टेनली -1 होगा। तो अब हमारा जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिस बिकम्स dy by dx प्लस y इक्वल x e टू द पावर बीटा -1 तो x। तो अब IF हमारे पास क्या हो गया, e टू द पावर इंटीग्रेशन p का वैल्यू 1 तो dx that is e to the power x। For solution y into e to the power x equal x e to the power -x into e to the power dx x dx plus c, and now the differential equation becomes y into e to the power x equal a 1 that is x square by 2 plus c, and y becomes x square by 2 e to the power -x plus c e to the power -x. Now given y1 equal 1, that is at x equal 1 y is 1, at x equal 1 y1 that is 1 equal 1 by 2 e to the power -1 plus c e to the power -1. This becomes e minus 1 by 2 equals c. Therefore, the value of c becomes e minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the differential equation is solution of differential equation is y equal x by 2, sorry, here x square by 2 e to the power -x plus the value of c is e minus 1 by 2 e to the power -x. This is the second result in case of alpha plus beta equal 0, alpha 1, beta -1. Now just see the solution. Just check the option. The option A is correct. X square by 2 e to the power -x plus e minus 1 by 2 e to the power -x when alpha plus beta equal 0, and when alpha plus beta not equal 0, e to the power x by 2 x minus 1 by 2 e minus e square by 4, x minus 1 by 2 e minus e square by 4 e to the power -x, option C. Thus the final answer of the given question is option A and option C. Both options are correct. Therefore, here in question it states that the which of the following function belong or belongs. This is the more than one answer. Thus finally the answer is answer A and answer C. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.